The low-carb, high-fat ketogenic diet regimen is promoted online and in the media as a weight loss device and also relatively all-round magical healer. Yet it was first created in the 1920s for kids with epilepsy. There's no scarcity of celebrity and influencer fans. Jersey Coast star Vinny Guadagnino, or as he calls himself on Instagram Keto Guido, Kourtney Kardashian and Halle Berry all promote the keto diet regimen. Already, #keto has about 14 million tags on Instagram. When you're following a keto diet plan, you aim to be in a state of ketosis. We ask the professionals what ketosis is, if it's worth the effort as well as if it's secure. Your body makes use of whichever energy resource is most easily available. This is normally sugar, converted from carbohydrates. If you significantly restrict your carb consumption and change it with fat, your body is ultimately compelled to use fat from food or your shops as power instead. This process is called ketosis. It is basically the Atkins diet repackaged and relabeled, states Medlin. Lots of people calling their diet regimen keto are just adhering to a reduced or very low carbohydrate diet plan, she continues. The level to which you require to restrict carbs to be in ketosis varies from person to person, she adds. In a clinical or therapeutic setup, such as for youngsters with epilepsy, the diet is created particularly for the individual and also assistance and also surveillance are supplied. Low-carb, high-fat ingredients include avocados, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, lotion, oil, butter, nuts as well as seeds. But not all ingredients require to be high in fat. Leafed greens and also berries are commonly consisted of, for example. You stay clear of, or at least greatly restrict, wheat and other grains, potatoes, corn, pulses, beans, milk, a lot of fruit and sugar. Click the link below.